Okay, it's time to show you what I did. I ripped the chicken coop door off its hinges. And I'm sorry that we're just going to the chicken coop almost every video. I just have new stuff that I've been doing. Yeah. That's been simple for me. Been lifting more weights. I've lost basically 20 pounds now. Because I only weigh 101 pounds. I'm just kidding. I lost 10 pounds. Well, anyway, what I was saying, I did this with my bare hands. Wait, hold on. It's blurry. There we go. I did this with my bare hands. See? Except I used a little tool to bend it outwards so I could rip it off the hinges. See? I used a little tool to push it out a little bit. But you want to know why I did that? What in the world? Look. There's grass growing in the middle of the chicken coop. And that's where I stomped the mushroom after the video. A couple days after the video. What is one of my wires doing out here? Well, anyway, there's the wood that we collected. I dumped out the trash and to come out. That's some Jurassic Park. Like the old Jurassic Park cups. And I mean the old, like the very first one. Wait. Hold on. I'll be right back. Well, look what I found. I found another collar. Except it has a little metal thing on it. I thought it was like one of those, what's it called? Oh! My gosh. Y'all know from the movie Up, the little collar? I just found that, look. The things are busted out though. They'll flip. How in the heck did that happen? Is this even real? From the movie Up. I know it's a cartoon, but right? Oh, dang. My door is broke. This thing moves right here. Dang. Why is almost every door broken like that? Well, anyway, I got a lot of collars that I've been finding. So, because this did used to be for dogs. Let me put my tool up. This is the tool I used. It's basically a crowbar, but it's not a real one. But it's a basically real crowbar. That's what I use it for. But remember that hole that we did? Let's look. Thumbnail. Hopefully I didn't do the floor thumbnail, because as you see I was doing like that. So it's right here. And you believe I did that. Oh, and anyway, here's the broken hinges. There. Oh, yeah, it's bent down there, if you can see it. Down there, yeah. And yeah, see, I've been doing some work. See, the trash can's empty. That's why I put it in here. Well, I need to do something with that thing right there. Well, someone cut down the poison sumac trees down here. Lucky for them, I'm happy. Because if I would have liked them and they cut them down, I would have been mad. But I'm not. because if you come, look at this. Well, if you come look at my leg, first of all, on 1 second. That scar used to be way bigger. Like it used to be about like 4 inches long. So first of all, I touched this poison sumac tree. It used to be that tall to the top of the chicken coop. And if y'all didn't know, that's the name of it. It's not a flippin' murder house or something like that. Ah, crap. They're still here. Dang. There's nobody cutting them down. Look. This is poison sumac. Stay away from it, because it can last you a lifetime. And this is muscadines. You can stay with these guys, but don't ever, ever, ever. Wait. There's a mole right here. Yay. Mole. I'm gonna stomp on it. But this is what we used to do all the time whenever there was moles, because we would hate them because they would make holes all over the place. They would get a big old stick and stick it in there, and they would make a different hole somewhere else. And I got my batter ram here that didn't even work on the door, because I tried different things. Most of them didn't work, but come to work is my bare hands and a tool that I showed y'all. Yep, it's a mole hole, alright. It's a mole hole, alright. And I'm not gonna mess no more around with that. But if that path clears up, I'm going to go down there. Well, I'm going to ask my mom first. Or I might go with my dad if he ever comes back over. Which I know he will. But yeah. There is some pretty jacked up things down there. Oh, this is a muscadine. Don't worry about it. I ain't getting poison sumac again. And there's another hang thing like I did right there and there. But you know what? Ooh, a nest fell. Let me go stomp on that. Because if a nest ever falls and there's no bees around it, this is my theory. Stomp on it. If you ever get the chance to. But secure the area, make sure there's no things at all. And it'll make a crunching noise. And then put it somewhere. Like bury it or something. Or else they'll chase you if they find you. I took that light bulb and put it in my room. Just letting y'all know. If y'all like, what happened to the light bulb? What happened to the light bulb? I'll put it in my room. But if we ever, if it lasts for a long time, by the time it's my birthday again, which is next year. This is 2016. But my tablet hasn't been freaking out lately. I love that. But the thing about it is if it lasts that long, I'm going to put it back down here. And we're going to stay down here at night filming and crap like that. So, yeah. But, this is what I did. And as you see, because it was already broke down here, someone cut it. See, here's the pieces that got hit by a lawnmower. I wish it would just yank it out of there. See, remember the trash can used to be right there? There's some wire that was in there. Some more muscadines, don't worry about them. Well, yeah, the trash can used to be here. No wonder there was so much dirt every time I would come in here. A little hinge right there from a long time ago. Anyway, I'm thinking about cutting that part off too. So I have like a full doorway. And yeah. Just letting you know that I did all these updates. And if you're asking why in the heck would you do this, Mason? But I don't really use that back stall. First of all, it don't lock. The locks broke off. This right here, I mean, that whole